Early light, quiet shores, and the promise of a perfect catch create a feeling every angler dreams about. The best fishing rod and reel combo with backpack brings freedom to travel farther, carry everything with ease, and focus only on the joy of casting. Designed for outdoor lovers who value comfort and reliability, this setup turns simple trips into memorable adventures, helping you feel prepared, confident, and excited every time you head toward the water. Number 1. THKFISH Fishing Rod and Reel Combo with Backpack. Cool morning air, gentle waves, and the quiet sound of birds create a peaceful escape that many people crave after long days indoors. THKFISH Fishing Rod and Reel Combo with Backpack helps turn that simple dream into a real outdoor journey. The telescoping fishing pole and smooth spinning reel feel balanced in hand, giving steady control that builds confidence with every cast across lakes, rivers, or coastal water. A comfortable backpack keeps fishing lures, pliers, and fish lip gripper organized, allowing easy movement without carrying heavy loads. Preparation becomes faster, so more time is spent enjoying nature instead of searching for tools. Many adults look for dependable fishing gear that supports freedom, relaxation, and adventure, and this complete kit answers that need with trust and comfort. Each trip feels lighter, calmer, and more meaningful, creating lasting memories and a strong desire to return to the water again. Number 2. KastKing KarryAll Fishing Tackle Backpack with Rod. Fresh air, open trails, and distant waterlines inspire a sense of freedom that every angler seeks after busy routines. KastKing KarryAll Fishing Tackle Backpack with Rod Holder becomes a trusted companion for those quiet escapes, helping you carry everything with confidence and ease. Designed for smart organization, this tackle bag keeps gear secure while you walk along banks, piers, or forest paths without feeling weighed down. 4 tackle boxes create neat storage, saving time and reducing frustration so your mind stays focused on the next cast. Generous space of 40-liter and 26-liter options supports longer trips, making day adventures or weekend travel simple and comfortable. Many fishing enthusiasts search for reliable equipment storage that protects valuable tools and supports mobility, and this backpack answers that need with balance and durability. Each outing feels smoother, calmer, and more enjoyable, turning ordinary moments beside water into lasting memories filled with purpose. Number 3. Piscifun Fishing Backpack with Rod Holder. The gentle sound of flowing water, soft morning light, and the anticipation of the next catch create a sense of calm that every angler dreams about. Piscifun Fishing Backpack with Rod Holder brings that experience closer, making every trip to the lake, river, or shoreline effortless and enjoyable. The lightweight sling design lets you carry essential gear comfortably, keeping hands free and movements natural while exploring new fishing spots. Organized storage ensures fishing tools remain secure and easily accessible, reducing stress and allowing full focus on casting and connecting with nature. Many outdoor enthusiasts look for equipment that supports freedom, mobility, and convenience without compromise, and this backpack fulfills that need with thoughtful design and durability. Each outing becomes a peaceful adventure, turning ordinary days into moments filled with excitement, patience, and personal achievement, inspiring anglers to return to the water again and again with confidence and joy. Number 4. Goture Fishing Backpack with Cooler. Early morning mist over rivers and lakes brings a quiet excitement that every angler feels when a new adventure begins. Goture Fishing Backpack with Cooler makes those trips effortless, allowing you to carry everything needed for hours of exploration with comfort and confidence. The 72-liter capacity and durable 600D material support long days beside water, while rod holders keep fishing poles secure and ready for action. Dry and wet split compartments protect gear and food, helping you stay organized and focused on the next cast. Adjustable main compartments adapt to your needs, giving freedom to pack larger items without stress. A built-in rain cover and insulated cooler ensure supplies remain safe and fresh, making outdoor travel, camping, and hiking trips simple and enjoyable. Many anglers search for a reliable, versatile bag that supports freedom, adventure, and organization, and this backpack turns every journey into a rewarding experience filled with purpose. Number 5. Fishing Backpack with Removable Bait Binder. The sound of gentle waves, fresh morning air, and the anticipation of a perfect catch create a sense of peace and excitement that every outdoor lover seeks. This fishing backpack with removable bait binder makes those moments more enjoyable, keeping all essential gear organized and easy to access during lakeside trips, river adventures, or coastal fishing. Large water-resistant compartments protect valuable tools and supplies, allowing anglers to focus on the thrill of casting without worrying about wet or disorganized equipment. The spacious design and thoughtful layout make it easy to carry everything needed for fishing, camping, or hiking, giving freedom to move without feeling burdened. Many people search for reliable storage that combines convenience, durability, and versatility, and this backpack fulfills that need. Every outing feels smoother, calmer, and more purposeful, turning ordinary days by the water into memorable experiences filled with excitement and connection to nature.